Chase Sapphire Flex pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Sapphire Flex card is perfect for those who want a flexible rewards card without paying an annual fee. Most people get this wrong. They think only premium cards and valuable points, but the surprising truth is Flex delivers a strong combination of rewards, protections and versatility. This card earns X points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, X on dining including takeout and eligible delivery, X on select streaming services and X on all other purchases. For example, if a user spends €0 a year across these categories, they could earn over 50 points, which can be redeemed for travel, gift cards or statement credits. Additional benefits include purchase protection, extended warranty coverage, trip cancellation interruption insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. The card also offers employee cards at no extra cost, making it a convenient option for families or small business teams. Since there's no annual fee, you can earn points without worrying about a high yearly cost. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Flex card is ideal for those who want flexible rewards with travel and purchase protections, all without paying an annual fee. With bonus points on travel, dining and streaming, it turns everyday spending into meaningful rewards, making it a smart choice for everyday users.